Right, this is my solution to Paul's Raspberry Pi for Beginners lesson 11 converted to the Pico. On my board I've got increase brightness button, decrease button, red, green, blue, and I'm using the sawn off light bulb to help display the RGB LED. I've given up on the eggshell because it took up too much room, and anyway, as I live in France, there is an old joke that says, in France, one egg is an earth. Enough? Well, anyway, enough of that. Anyway, here we go. We'll start running the program, and you have to choose between whether you want the colors defined as 0 to 255 or percentage, 1 to 100. So I will go percentage. How many increments do you want for each LED? We'll put in 5. And arithmetic or exponential, A for arithmetic. Right, nothing's happening because I haven't done anything. If we press the blue button by itself, it comes on at 100%. If we press it again, it goes off. Green button on, 100%. Dim a bit, press it again properly, 80, 60, 40, 20, and then that's off. Blue button on. If you reduce it again, that's down to 60. If you turn it off and turn it on again, it always comes on at 100%. Then you can press the red button. That's quite a nice colour. And you can reduce the red a bit to make it a bit more bluey. It isn't showing up terribly well because I'm doing this in daylight. And then if you press both buttons, you exit the program. If you run it again, you can then go S for standard, which is 255. How many increments? You can go 2. Then if we go exponential, press blue, 100%. Diminish it, that goes down to 10, that goes down to 0. Red button, blue button, and off. That's about it.